Everyone, David Kessler here, and welcome back to the studio, and welcome back to our series of paintings that show my personal painting process, how I develop paintings in the studio. Alright, you saw 3 previous videos. This one is a continuation of the painting. What we're going to do is we're going to go in, continue to define the centers of interest, continue to apply the blue-green paint using our triadic combination of blue-green, red-violet, and yellow-orange. Right? So in this part of the painting, we're going to start to lay in the center of interest and continue with applying the blue-green dominant color paint. Now, what I want to say is this painting is not layered. I don't use a layered process, so in between each one of these videos, it's not drying. This is just a continuation of the painting on the same painting using a wet into wet technique for painting. All right, so let's get back to the painting. All right, we're back. Now in the previous video, remember we went through a color scheme, picked our colors, mixed the colors on the palette. We laid in some of our dark values with our red violet. Now we're going to get into our dominant color, which is our blue-green, start laying that in, and think about where our centers of interest might occur, okay? As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to go ahead and lay in a center of interest area here while I'm thinking about it. If I block this area out now, then I won't have to worry about painting over it. And I'm just simply laying in several different colors in here. All right. Good. And I wiped out a little bit from my red violet here while you were gone. I think I got a little too much in there. All right. Now I might also want to take a little tick of this yellow orange and put in here. Like a pretty reasonable place. I can take that and blend that into the blue-green just a little bit. And I'll come back and hit those with a darker value. With my dark value in a minute. All right, all right. I also want to make sure this gets blended out so I don't get hard edges in here. Okay. Maybe I'll put a little tick down here. For the heck of it. All right, good. All right, now let's keep going with the blue-green. I'm going to start adding some white in here, close to my center of interest. Make that a kind of a lighter area. Lighter value area. Need to blend. Maybe even blend a little of this out in here. A little white. There we go. Now we're talking. All right. Now I have a little tool that I use. It's just a cut-off brush handle that I use to put some texture in. So I'm going to start doing that. Continue here. There again, I'm just putting in a variety of blue-greens with no real sort of a game plan. I am going to get a lighter here as I approach this sort of a secondary center of interest. And then just work that out. Here we go. There again, there's no real game plan here. Right? No real game plan. Just working my colors, working my colors. Making sure I add white when I need to get some value changes. Blend edges, blend edges, blend edges. Right, so I want my hard edge here and here around my centers of interest, and everything else I really want it to be blended edges. Just filling in some random areas here, maybe darken this corner a bit, mix it with some violet. A little blending with the finger. Cover my edges. All right, so I got the whole canvas covered, and I'm looking to see what's going on with my values. Connect these shapes a little bit more. Connect those dark shapes. There we go. Get this a little better. Kind of a subtle connection there. All right, now when we come back, I'm going to come in here and redefine or define a little bit better my centers of interest, highlight those a little bit more, create some dark hard edges in here, and then we'll have her finished up, okay? See you in the next one.